In this video, I will show you how to effectively copy a notebook in NotebookLM by using a simple export and re-import method. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to Google to confirm the current features. Since NotebookLM doesn't have a direct duplicate button yet, I need to use a workaround by re-uploading sources or exporting my saved notes. Now, I'll go back to my dashboard and open the project I want to copy. Once inside, I'll look through my chat history and copy a helpful summary. I'm grabbing the explanation of the audio overview feature, which explains how the AI turns documents into podcast-style discussions. This tool is great for creators who want to transform static notes into engaging audio content for their audience. To keep this organized, I'll open a blank Google Doc and paste that text right in. Next, I'll navigate back to my original notebook and go to the Saved Notes section. I'll select all the notes from today and highlight the entire content. I'll copy everything and move back to my Google Doc to paste it below the first section. This document now acts as a complete backup of my notebook's internal knowledge. To prepare for the move, I'll go to the File menu, select Download, and save the file as a PDF. This format is the most reliable for importing data back into the system. Now, I'll return to the NotebookLM home screen and click Create New to start a fresh project. I'll choose the option to upload files and select the PDF I just created. As it finishes uploading, you'll see that my new notebook is now fully populated with all the information from the original one. I can open the source guide to verify that all my notes and summaries transferred perfectly. This is a simple and effective way to manage your research.